Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y17 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then 3 dots again in the right upper corner and tap on the history. As you can see here, we've got the previously opened apps or actually websites, and if you want to, you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you've got a lot of websites saved, simply tap on the clear processing data, because here we've got the automatic options. We can remove, among others, cookies, sensei data, cached images and files, saved passwords, or autofill from data. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you're ready, just tap on clear data, tap on clear, and as you can see, the history is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.